Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I bake my Christmas fruit cake. So continue watching and let's start the video. Okay guys, so to a pot I add 2 cups of water, some cinnamon sticks, some bay leaf, and this is my fruit that has been soaking for quite some time now. I have some currant, prune, cherry, and raisins, and I'm soaking it in red label wine and white rum, and this is how it is looking. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to add the fruits to the boiling water and let it cook on low heat for 1.5 hours. So for flavor, I'm going to add some red label wine, some cinnamon powder, and some vanilla. So now that my spices are in, I'm going to cover and let it continue cooking on low heat. So this is how it is looking after 45 minutes. So I'm going to cover it again and I'm going to allow it to cook on low heat for another 45 minutes. Alright guys, so this is it after cooking for 1.5 hours. So I'm now going to remove the cinnamon sticks and the bay leaves and I'm going to allow it to cool. Then I am going to blend for like 5 seconds. So I went ahead and I blend the fruits off camera. Like I said, I blend for just like 5 seconds. So now I'm going to cream my sugar with the butter. Then I'm going to whisk 10 eggs with some lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and that will get rid of the rawness from the eggs, guys. So just continue watching and enjoy the baking process. So I'm going to remove the eyes from the egg. They say that the eyes is what really make the egg raw. I'm not sure about that, and even though I'm going to add the lemon zest, I still like to go in and remove the eyes. So after creaming the sugar with the butter until it's really fluffy, that's when I go in with the eggs little by little and continue creaming. So now that I'm done creaming the butter and sugar with the eggs, I'm now going to add 5 cups of blended fruits. And guys, this is a 1-pound cake, so I basically use 1 pound of everything. So now I'm going to add all my liquid ingredients to the batter. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of browning. It can be more, but I don't want my cake to be too dark, so I'm just using 4 teaspoons of browning. And I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of rose water and 4 tablespoons of vanilla. So moving on to my dry ingredients, I'm using 4 cups of light baking flour. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, and 4 teaspoons of grated nutmeg. So continue watching, guys. We are almost at the end of the baking process. Continue watching and enjoy the video. And I forget to mention salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, but I will list all the ingredients that I use in the description box. So after adding all my dry ingredients, I'm now combining so all the ingredients can evenly spread. So little by little, I'm now going to add the dry ingredients to the batter, like a tablespoon of flour each time, and then I'm going to mix it out properly because we don't want to have any flour lumps in our mixture. So little by little is the way to go. So I went ahead and I greased my baking tin with butter and lined it with parchment paper. I was trying to get a little video for my TikTok and totally forget to record for my YouTube video, and this is why this part of the video is looking like this, but that's the least. So now I am going to place them in my preheated oven on 250 degrees for 45 minutes, and then this is the end result, guys. So basically I baked it for 1.5 hours, and this is how it is looking. So guys, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Also comment and let me know what you think about my fruit cake and the process and the ingredients that I use, and if there's any other ingredients that I can add to my Christmas fruit cake, please feel free to add it and let me know. Bye.